channel. I am here again to write on a video, and this video is a short clip that been shared from the space that some Biafrans that support Ogenkere, hosted on X, and they were talking about the yesterday fundraising. Normally, I decided not to talk about the yesterday fundraising because I don't want to trigger or provoke anybody, but they started talking about it, so I will let us just highlight a few things from that. So yesterday fundraising, Biafran turned out to do the needful, and the support was so surprising. And a lot of people decided to do the needful. The yesterday fundraising is one of the best. Okay, if you ask me to rate, it was like should I say a wake up call to Biafrans to know that the time is here to do the needful. And Biafrans were donating money like never before. So that thing did not go down well with some people that support Ogenkere, and they gathered on space to talk about it. And that's why I'm here to share some of the videos, short clip from the space for you to hear. Like I said, I'm not mocking any of them. So if you're a supporter of Ogenkere, don't run away. Just calm down. I'm not here to insult you or to mock you or mock anybody. But I have something to say about it. And that is, you need to know that when you join hands together, when you come together as a brothers and sisters, you can move mountain. But you see all this kitty kata kata, having a negative mindset against your brother and thinking, oh, I have to win, I have to conquer, stressing yourself for nothing, for something that everybody should have just joined hands together and achieved. But you decided to rub shoulder and all that. It will not lead you anywhere. You still have the time to think twice and focus on what you're going to profit everybody, not you alone, not your pocket alone. Sometimes you need to understand that, because it's not about some basic quarter and all that. You need to know that this is for a nation, Biafrans, and together you can move mountain. But if you choose otherwise, that means you don't actually stand for the freedom. You don't want the freedom to come. That's the only thing I can say about it, because everything they said here, you can see the pain, you can feel the pain. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's hear them.
What we need now is results. Not we don't really need coming out on social media to give order and all those things again. I think this advice is very, very important. Even me too, I have been thinking about it. You understand? Since they are always looking for the face of the movement. You understand? When they see that nobody is now, they don't know where the order is coming from again. I think it will be the best thing. So anything that is happening, they will take it the way they see it. Thank you very much, my brother. I love that.
Yeah. Ivoma, are you there?
Yes. Good morning.
Sorry. The great Orabueze is.
Ivoma, please just go.
No, I know what I'm saying. I don't want anybody to come and insult our APM. That's what I'm saying, because I've never seen him before.
No. She's one of us.
Okay,
she's one of us. Okay. She's a very, very strong girl.
Good morning. Master K, good morning.
Good morning, Ivoma.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I don't know. I am so heartbroken this morning. That's why, I'm not used to speaking on the space anyway, but I'm a good listener, Sister Nkiru. I know you. Sister Helen, good morning. David and Nana, good morning. Yeah, so what I wanted to say this morning is I'm so heartbroken because I went through the X this morning, and I saw somebody mocking us, calling us poor, and said that someone donated £1. I was so heartbroken. But I have one message to tell them, that who we serve and who we worship will never put us to shame. That £1, that $1 that they are using to call us poor, our God is going to breathe upon it. And he will breathe upon it. That million they were contributing yesterday, I never listened to them. I don't go to their space, I don't listen to them. But that millions that they are contributing, and they think they are rich, they are going to...
My sister, when PM was here, were they contributing this way? Have you heard of Godoma donated 200 euros?
Does he even donate?
You can imagine.
I know
this is how our the extremism that is in our people in hatred.
He
Once they hate you, they will do
most
into
of them.
extreme.
Sister Kiru, Helen, let me tell you, some of them are there to just say that amount. They will never donate it. But who will say our $50? The receipt is there already. But you see.
Oh my goodness. Oh my Africa Gulu. Nkiru Nkuno Mama na my this platform. She's one and Helen Peters. You guys are very, very funny. That's not quite donated among Google. Anyway, big the thing is that let us just be serious, okay? Like I said, I'm not here to mock anybody, but the donation is real, okay? Don't act as if it is fake. The donation is real, okay? It is real. You may not, if that you don't like it, donation is real. It is real. It's not fake. Oh my goodness. Anyway, like I said, I don't want to make. I have many things to say, but for the sake of peace, I don't want to go hard on that. Let us just be serious. But the truth is that it is better that you guys focus on freedom and success of our people. If Fulani people are not, aiming to take our land, if you guys are doing what you are doing, I will just fold hand and come, keep quiet. But life and our nation is at stake. Lives of our people and the nation is at stake, whether you like it or not. Use what is going on in the north to understand what is about to happen. If you keep on fighting each other, dragging what I don't know. Chineke na-emeze, ọ bụla mmadụ. Chukwu na-emeze. Don't work against your freedom. Don't work against yourself. Don't work against yourself. You will end up hurting yourself. Let us continue because I just want you to hear the mindset of the people. And he can see the lady said that Ogodoman, I don't even know the person. She said Ogodoman had normally don't donate, and Helen Peters and all of them, they gathered together in Kiro saying, yeah, it's true. So does Gaddafi normally donate before? All these people that you guys call the enemies of PM that you guys call back, I don't want to go there. You know your flop, you know your mistakes, and you keep on pretending as if you don't know it. That is an annoying part of it.
Let me tell you, some of them are there to just say that amount. They will never donate it. But who will say our $50? The receipt is there already. But you see them just saying it for saying its sake. For us to think something is happening. Nothing is happening.
But nothing. It is not for our
nothing is happening. Understand? These are people that hasn't even been contributing. They are the ones there just to make noise. Let it look as if something is happening. Nothing is happening there. But I'm leaving this word with them today because I'm entering church right now. That God we serve is going to breathe upon that 1,000.
She said that she's leaving this word because she's entering church now. I was talking most of church. The only thing, nigga. We take him. Please, you guys should calm down. The donation is real. No matter how you see it, it is real. Okay? And some people that don't normally donate, if you think they started donating, that is a plus. It's a plus. Are you no longer fighting for Biafra? Is this freedom or what you are doing is it all about Ogenkere or COS? It's not about them. It's about freedom and your life and your nation. I don't know how you guys see it, but that's why I feel. Because it doesn't matter if people donate money, donate. Just all you need to do, since you are good in prayer, you just pray that the money will be utilized and they should use it very well. At least to protect our land. I'm not saying that you should commit any crime. I'm not here to support any war, any crime, please. But for the sake of our people, for the sake of our land, and people, pregnant women, children, even vulnerable people that are paying their life for nothing in the hands of, terrorists, you need to think twice and avoid this banter that you guys are doing on social media. It doesn't make any sense. Whether you want this person or that person, allow peace to reign. That's all I can say. Not that I don't know many things to say, but like I said, I just want to, because the criticism about they don't donate before, we can also say that on your own side, because you have many people that forbidden fruit that you guys decided to eat now is not a good idea, and you know that. You know that. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time, and please tell me what you think about this, and God bless you.